inside of me. You better watch out if you ignite me's a road ahead of full prophecy. To be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me. And he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score. Never getting bored, loves the blood and gore. Always wanting more, feeding from the source. They don't really understand until they feel it. Push apart it. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped. You'll be chewed up and discarded.
World মাত্র 2% population এই brutal game involved. So if you are not mentally strong enough, আমাদের practice session join করার একদমই দরকার নেই. Hello everyone, this is me Aditya from Rogue and Rogue is like a mixed martial art academy and we train to produce fighter. So let me introduce our trainer Fatin Anju. He's a multi-talented combat guy and he is expert in many kind of martial arts. So firstly we start our training session with strength building workout and after that we go for the fight movement session যেখানে হচ্ছে আমরা মুভস বিভিন্ন স্ট্রাইকিং মুভস যেগুলো আছে ওগুলো প্র্যাকটিস করি and after done with the movement আমরা নিজেদের মধ্যে মুভস গুলো প্র্যাকটিস করি নিজেরা যাতে আমাদের টেকনিক্যাল নলেজ আর একটু গ্রো করে আর তারপর আমরা ছোটখাটো একটা স্পারিং সেশন রাখি to have the actual fighting experience because we truly believe fight কোনো শো অফ করা জিনিস না if you want to be fighter you have to fight in practical and you have to take damages. So if you are dedicated to be a fighter, we are here to train you.